Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, we're going to show you really quickly how you could use the PrivacyWall search engine to browse through the internet and to use it as an alternative, for instance, for Google, DuckDuckGo, or Yahoo search. So let us get started right away. So all you need to do, guys, is head over to Google Chrome, for instance, and type in the search bar here on Google, PrivacyWall, and press enter on your keyboard. After that, select the first search entry you see here, privacywall.org. So head over to PrivacyWall, and what you want to do, guys, is simply start browsing through the internet by using that search bar here where it says search the web, where you see that magnifying glass. So simply type in the keyword or search term here, press enter. Let me go with that search term here for demonstration purposes. Also, PrivacyWall will give you a couple of suggestions depending on the letters you type in. So let us go with that search term here for demonstration purposes, and after that, filter your search by results all, or by images or videos or maps. You may also enable the private view feature. Now this feature will allow you to see a preview of the given website without sharing your personal details like your IP, for instance, with the owner of the given website. So using the private view feature may give you a sense of privacy and allow you to browse through the internet anonymously. Also, guys, you may filter the search results by country or region. Here at the top, simply click on tools here, and here to the left, select your country or region. You may sort the search results by date as well by clicking on anytime here, or enable or turn off the safe search feature here to the right, and that's basically it, guys. Apart from that, it is possible to use the PrivacyWall search engine as an extension on Google Chrome and to make it your default search engine, or to install it as an application on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 device. But we're going to talk about that in detail in a different or in a separate tutorial video. So with that in mind, guys, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.